All right, guys, welcome back. It rained a lot last night. Anytime we got water inside the door here or puddles outside, it was raining pretty solid all night long. Today they're calling for more rain about 7 o'clock tonight. It's 100% chance. So Saturday looks to be like it's going to clear off. I will have some clips on the end of this video of some of the highlights of the first day of harvesting that I didn't get in yesterday's video. Like I say, the corn just isn't yielding. Just as an example, this field, I look back, this field here last year gave me 2.5 triaxle loads, 2.5. This year he did all that and up on the hill to get 2 truckloads. So it's definitely not yielding what we thought, but I'll take you guys up and show you the combine again. For those of you who weren't following me last year, I'll give you the overview of the combine again. All right, so today kind of turned into day to shell. It's still wet a little bit. Your feet get wet here in the grass. This hay field really would have made nice third cutting, but not this time of year. You guys didn't see this truck last year. I didn't get any footage of it. This is the third triaxle. 2 Peterbilts. I may have said it, 2 Peterbilts, and then they have that Ford. So this is one of the Petes that they have. So I may have said this, but the bin on the combine will hold about 300 bushels, and these trucks will hold 600. So 2 bin loads in the truck, and they got their 600 bushel. So it's a pretty good capacity. You can see them coming back through the field here. So basically 2 bins, and then they're on their way, and then the next truck comes. So every 2 trucks you're looking at about 1,200 bushel, give or take. So I don't know, look at some of this corn in here. Hopefully yesterday he shelled around the bottom and he said there wasn't much there, and that stands to reason. That's the outside of the field, the end rows. So hopefully when he gets in the middle here we start doing better. I can show you a little bit of the inside of this Pete. I don't know how many miles are on this one. Be interested to know. 805,000. Still rolling. Makes a great farm truck. All right, guys, we're still out of here today. Probably gonna hopefully get pretty close to done today. They want to keep moving it. There's rain coming in. So this field down here that we just finished, this was the back cornfield. We were averaging 120 bushel to the acre, so that's a little bit better than the yields that we were started with, 102 to the acre. So just talking to some of my other neighbors today, I kind of made the rounds and got the sense of what was going on today or this year with corn, and sure enough, I'm nowhere near alone. Even the guys that have a lot of animal manure and a lot better ground, they're still saying they only did 150. So at 120 in my ground, I shouldn't feel too bad. So, and the problem is the dry. It's not dry. The driest corn that we are shelling is 22%. That's nowhere near dry. Well, they're using it for high moisture corn, but on my end, it's not very good selling corn that wet. So I don't know. It's just kind of where we're at, but hopefully we get close to done. I just want to get it over with.